Hi guys. Welcome back my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to schedule automatic shutdown your computer at a specific time. This is great tricks or method for Bitcoin miners who use their computer on a specific time. We can also do the system softwares to do that. But this is easiest way to control over auto shutdown and auto log off. Here the software called Windows Shutdown Assistant. This software that lets users shut down computer at the set time automatically. In addition, it can shut down computer in other situations such as system idle, excessive boot usage or low battery. According to your different needs, the software also supports to log off, restart and lock computer automatically. Lock, shut down, restart, hibernate and log off computer at the specific time. Also you can run and stop programs on schedule. After downloading the Windows Shutdown Assistant, you have to set the time you want to shut down, and click to add to action list. Then click on Start. This method is only work when the software running on background, so make sure you minimize after all setup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this small video.